Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you are in good health and don't forget to always adhere to health protocols. In this video, my group will present our project entitled Internet of Things System for Monitoring Water Reservoir. So, before we discuss, let me introduce my group. We from group 5. My name is Irma Maa'unah and my partner is Kori, Sasi, Wasilah. Enjoy the video. First of all, I will describe about our project. In this project, we will create an IoT design that aims to monitor the water level of Tandon using Node MCU ESP8266 as microcontroller and Tinger.io as an IoT platform to monitor or control the system. In addition, we also use two sensors. There is an HCSCR04 sensor or ultrasonic sensor as a hygrometer of water level and a DHT11 sensor as a temperature and humidity sensor on the water. We also use buzzer as alarm when the water level on Tandon is at maximum and minimum limit.
Hi, I'm Kori. Here I will explain about components used in this circuit. There are Node MCU ESP8266 for microcontroller, HCSR04 or ultrasonic sensor for water distance, relay, DHT11 for temperature and humidity, buzzer, mini water pump, and adapter 5V for power. And this is the schematic system that I assembled to the freezing software.
Next, diagram flowchart. So this is our flowchart. Describe how the flow of this project. The first, ultrasonic sensor will read water level. If the sensor distance to water less than equal to 13, buzzer sound and relay will connecting circuit. And also, sensor DHT11 read temperature and humidity of the water. Then, the data will be sent and displayed in Tinger.io. When the sensor descends to water less than equal to 4, buzzer will be sound and automatically relay disconnect the circuit. But if the sensor descends to the water more than 13, relay will be disconnect circuit. Next, photo system. Our project uses several components including Node MCU ESP8266 as microcontroller, relay, DHT11 sensor, HCSR04 sensor, buzzer, DC power supply 5V, jack DC female, and water pump. In this project, we also use platform IoT, which is Tinger.io. All components are connected at microcontroller, and also I will explain how the system works. First, microcontroller set up connection Wi-Fi network for send value of ultrasonic sensor and DHT11 sensor. Ultrasonic sensor to monitor the water level, then DHT11 to monitor temperature and humidity on water. HCSR04 sensor or ultrasonic sensor will detect the sensor distance to the water. Then, Node MCU ESP8266 as microcontroller send the information to Tinger.io as monitor value of HCSR04 sensor. DHT11 sensor will detect the temperature and humidity of the water. Then, microcontroller send the information to Tinger.io as monitor value of DHT11 sensor. The program can also set the alarm as a warning when the water is at the maximum limit or minimum using a buzzer. For this case, we set if the sensor descends to water less than equal to 13 or the sensor descends to water less than equal to 4, the buzzer will sound. So, when the water exceeds the maximum limit, the relay will disconnect the circuit, and then the buzzer will sound and automatically the water will stop flowing. Conversely, when the water is at the minimum limit, the relay will connect the circuit and automatically the water will flow out of the water pump connected to the power and relay. Then all data will be sent and displayed on the monitor teacher.io.
This is the shortcut that we use as programming to connect with the Not.MCU system and the Tinker.io platform. The first, we enter the libraries of Tinker.io and DHT11. You can install this library in the Arduino software or search on Google. In configuration Tinker.io, for username I use Kori because that my username in Tinker.io account. For device underscore ID and device underscore seredential, I use Not.MCU because it's the name of the device at Tinker.io. Next, variable Tinker.io. SSID is copy JOS and SSID underscore password is AC1234 because it's the name and password of the Wi-Fi that our laptop use. Next, define the pins and variable of the component used. This is variable DHT11. This is variable ultrasonic sensor. This is variable buzzer. This is variable relay, and this is variable condition water reservoir. Next, void setup. If not MCU connect Tinker.io is called this.add underscore Wi-Fi SSID password. This code for serial.begin to start the serial communication. This code for pin mode. Trick pin or sensor ultrasonic as output, echo pin as input, buzzer as output, relay as output. Next, active DHT11. This is code for Tinker.io output. This is active ultrasonic sensor for Tinker.io output too. And the last is active condition for Tinker.io output condition water reservoir. In void loop, this is code for looping. Of input data which will be displayed on Tinker.io or serial monitor. There is temperature, humidity, water level, and water reservoir condition. We have set up the water reservoir condition. If first, when the distance between water and the ultrasonic sensor is more than 14 cm, it will display the output condition empty water reservoir. Secondly, if the ultrasonic sensor is less than 30 cm away from water, it will display the filling reservoir or pengisian tandon condition output. And last, if the ultrasonic sensor distance with water is less than For centimeter, it will display the output condition full water reservoir. And this code for the output in serial monitor. There are temperature, humidity, distance. Here is the output of Tinker.io. We use Tinker.io platform for controlling and monitoring our device. Yes, this is the output of temperature is 30.20 Celsius, humidity is 68%, water level within 14 centimeter of the ultrasonic sensor, so that the display the condition when the empty water reservoir. Is always run. Yep. Next, this is the display when the is filling the water reservoir or pengisian tandon. Where in the program we have set if the ultrasonic sensor distance with the water is less than 30 centimeter. And there is a change in humidity and temperature too. Yep, and this is the output when the water reservoir is full, and the distance between the water and the ultrasonic sensor is 3 centimeter. There are also change in temperature becomes 29.60 Celsius and humidity becomes 76%. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope all of you will benefit. Don't forget to use a mask when going out of the home. Always keep your physical distancing and wash your hand. I pray that all of you are always safe and healthy. Thank you so much.